capstone is designed to provide a natural termination to the Versetta system. Equipping regular carpentry tools with diamond blades opens up the installation to a variety of tradesmen, and maybe even do-it-yourself projects. But keep in mind it's important to wear proper PPE such as gloves, hearing protection, safety glasses, and appropriate respiratory protection such as an N95 NIOSH-approved face mask. Here the installer is starting in an outside corner. He's making 2 miter-cut capstones to form the corner. They can be butt together or separated to form a grout joint, and then continue around the structure using full capstones to complete the course. Fastening the capstone requires a minimum of 4 fasteners per stone that are over 18 inches. Fasten at least 2 to framing members. If you can't get at least 2 framing members, add an additional fastener. When transitioning from capstone to a different siding, a flashing should be installed to direct water to the outside of the stone. This flashing was formed using a coated coil stock on a tap coat brake. Water management is a key priority when installing any type of an exterior siding or veneer. Properly overlapping exterior corners, sealing the joint will assure a nice watertight connection. This masonry veneer wall was constructed with 2 carpenters with little masonry experience. Finishing off the installation for a natural look is Versetta textured finishing adhesive. This can be used to set stone joints as well as the grout joints in the capstone. Remove any excess with a soft rag and you'll get a complete finish. Not bad for 2 carpenters.